Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Techie Phoenix. So today I'm going to upgrade the RAM of this laptop. Currently it has 4 GB of DDR4 2400 MHz RAM, and I'm going to add another 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, which will make up of 12 GB in total. So let's go ahead and check the current RAM. So as you can see here, it is 4 GB and 3.45 is usable. Let's go ahead and open the CPU-Z app. In here you will have the memory department. Let's go there. Yeah, it is having 4 GB DDR4, and now check the another slot. Yes, it is completely empty. So let's go ahead and this is the laptop. This is the Dologix 8 GB DDR4 2400 MHz RAM. I'm going to put it in this laptop. So let's go ahead and begin the teardown. The tools you need is 2 screwdrivers, then a ATM card or plastic card, something like that. You can also use guitar pick. So let's go ahead. First you want to do is you need a soft towel or a rubber pad beneath your laptop so that your laptop's lid don't get scratched. So let's begin with unscrewing all the visible screws. So after unscrewing the visible screws, you have to take out the CD drive. Then the next thing is take this rubber pads, because inside that you will find some more screws. Just peel it off like this. As you can see here, in the bottom part there is 3 screws, and on the top I think there is about 4 screws. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open this off. Unscrew these 4 screws first, and then the 3 screws in bottom. So after unscrewing all, let's take this screws out. Now we have to take this back panel off from the main chassis. For that you have to open the laptop's lid. Then as you can see here, the chassis have a separation from the back panel, Now let's try to put this ATM card in between the top chassis and the bottom panel. So don't put too much of pressure while doing it. You may have the risk of breaking it. Do it gently and patiently. Now I have managed to get the ATM card in there. So after putting it in there, just give a gentle press to the ATM card downwards. So the clip will automatically pop up, and just slide the ATM card gently throughout the chassis. Some clips are harder to get off and others simpler. So give the force very patiently and correctly, because you can also break the clips in there. So after getting the gaps, you can take the back panel apart. Okay, so it is coming out. Try to take it apart from your nails. Now let's pull it out. So okay, so we have managed to take it out. Here is the insides of this laptop. Let's keep the chassis out. So inside this, you can see the two RAM slots. One is already populated and other is free. This is the 42-hour battery, and here's the fan processor cooling, and that is the NVMe SSD storage that you can also upgrade in the future. So now let's take out the RAM. This is the Dologix 8GB DDR4 RAM. Let's take it out. This RAM I found for about 2,300 rupees. And as you can see here, so I want to show you how to take the RAM out. When you take the RAM out, there are some clips on side. You have to detach those and the RAM will automatically pop out. So that is a 4GB RAM, and the new one is the Dologix 8GB RAM. So I'm going to just pop both of them in each slots. So when you put a RAM inside a laptop's RAM slot, you press the RAM inside the slot and just put a gentle force on the top. So here our RAM is installed. Now take the back panel and put the back panel on the top of the motherboard and just press it gently. And before screwing the back panel screws, you have to clip the clips inside this chassis. For that, you have to give a gentle press all over the edge of the chassis so that the clips automatically clips in. So don't give too much of force because you may have the risk of breaking the clips. Okay, so now it is done. Now let's go to the back part and just put all the screws right in. As you took it out, take it in. Before doing the last screw, put the CD drive in because that last screw holds the CD drive. After screwing all the screws back, you have to put the pad, the rubber pad, back in there. There will be one double-sided transparent tape. First you have to put that in. Then just stick the rubber foot pad on the top of that. It will just go on easily. So here our laptop is now upgraded to 12 GB of DDR4 RAM. So let's open it up and boot it up. Let's check the specs now. Let's go to the My PC and then properties. Let me zoom in. So as you can see here, now it is literally 12 GB of RAM and usable memory is about 9.95. Because of upgrading the RAM to 12 GB, the graphics memory is also increased from 512 MB to 2 GB of graphics memory. Means now the Vega 8 graphics inside this will get about 2 GB of graphics memory. So let's go to the memory. As you can see here, 12 GB DDR4. Cache latency is about 17. And now the both slots here are populated. One with 8 GB with CL17 latencies and the other with 4 GB, and that is also CL17. So guys, that was it for this video. Stay amazed, stay safe. This is Techie Phoenix signing off.